Oh hey y'all, we're out here at El Matador State Beach today. We're hoping to see some sea lions, get up close and real personal, you know. We're hoping to, you know, touch some, swim with some, you know, really just appreciate the beauty of them. And you know, there's nothing but beauty out here. Take a look around, take a look. Would you look at that? Hey there guys, just here out at El Matador State Beach. We just saw some wonderful creatures. Oh, the rest of our crew is here. Yeah, we're gonna, they were late, but you know, we saw some sea lions. We had a good time. We got to, you know, touch them, play with them, swim with them, observe them. So we're just hoping, you know, it's gonna be a good rest of the day. We're ready to get to it.
Woo! Y'all, sorry, we didn't want to get at 10 a.m. It's sleeping time.
It was a beautiful morning. We came to observe some sea lions today, and we're hoping to still catch some. You know, there's some daylight still. We got some good waves. We got some good conditions, really. The rest of our crew is here. We're ready to go.
Let's go catch some seashells.
A wild cat peeks out from her cave. Slowly she comes from the abyss.
I thought you were peeing.
She was.
Were you?
We're invading.
Rude.
It's sort of falling.